Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to fix your PHP installation error to be missing the MySQL extension which is required by WordPress. Please check that the MySQL PHP extension is installed and enabled. So let's get started. So in this tutorials we are going to fix this issue on the GoDaddy hosting, and if you use GoDaddy then you will find same interface, or if you use others hosting company like Hostinger then you will find also same interface on your hosting account. So first of all you have to log in your hosting account. So I have logged in my hosting account you are using. Just you have to do one thing, that is you have to log in your hosting account, then go to the cpanel. You will find the cpanel when you log in on your hosting account. So you can see here is the cpanel. So I'm going to click on the cpanel. Then here is the cpanel. I'm going to scroll down, then you'll find an option or section named software. Here is the software section. Then you will find an option or section or menu, select PHP version. So you have to click on the select PHP version. So we have to wait a little bit time. Okay, now we're going to our website, copy the MySQL. Okay, go back cpanel and search, press Ctrl F from your keyboard, then Ctrl V, and you can see here is the MySQL. Click on it. Okay, you see MySQL enabled at independency. We have completed this process. Now go back our website and simply reload. Just wait a little bit time. Wow, we have done. So simple and easy. So I hope you understand how we have fixed this issue. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.